Tired of bumping into things in the dark? Today, we're going to banish the shadows and show you multiple superfast ways to turn on the flashlight on your Android phone. First, let's try the quick settings panel. This is probably the easiest and most common method. Swipe down from the top of your screen, like this, to reveal your notifications. Now, look for the flashlight icon. It might be labeled flashlight, torch, or even just have a flashlight symbol. If you don't see it right away, swipe left on the icons to see more options. Once you find it, simply tap the icon. Boom. Your flashlight should turn on instantly. Tap it again to turn it off. Okay. Method number 2, the lock screen shortcut. Some Android phones allow you to add a flashlight shortcut directly to your lock screen for even faster access. To check if you have this feature, look at the bottom corners of your lock screen. If you see a flashlight icon, touch and hold it. This should activate the flashlight without even unlocking your phone. And now for a trick for those who love voice commands. If you have Google Assistant enabled, you can simply say, "Hey Google, turn on the flashlight." And just like that, the flashlight will activate. To turn it off, just say, "Hey Google, turn off the flashlight." Finally, if you want even more control, you can download a dedicated flashlight app from the Google Play Store. Just search flashlight app and choose one with good reviews. These apps often offer additional features like brightness control, strobe mode, and even SOS signals. And that's it. Now you know multiple ways to quickly turn on the flashlight on your Android phone. No more fumbling in the dark. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks.